Good morning, everyone. I'm Maurine P from BS at Math 2B, and I was assigned to discuss about solving a linear system using LU factorization. And I will answer one of the exercises in 2.4, that is number 45. Solve the linear system AX is equal to B by A. Finding the LU factorization of the coefficient matrix A. B. Solving the lower triangular system Ly is equal to B. And C. Solving the upper triangular system Ux is equal to Y. We have here our three equations, and these are 2x plus y is equal to 1, y minus z is equal to 2, negative 2x plus y plus z is equal to negative 2. So first, we will find the LU factorization of the coefficient matrix A. In this case, the matrix A is always our coefficient matrix. Using our coefficient matrix, we will perform row operation on this matrix to form the upper triangular matrix, and at the same time, by using the opposite of our multipliers, we will build the lower triangular matrix. As we can see, to our row 2, column 1, the value is 0. So the value to our lower triangular matrix is also 0. Next is what multiple of another row we will add to this row to have this element be as 0. So what do you think? We will add row 3 plus row 1, we will get a new row 3. So we use the multiplier 1 to help us obtain a 0 in row 3, column 1, which means the element of row 3, column 1 of our lower triangular matrix will be the opposite of our multiplier, which is negative 1. Next is, so we have now our new row 3, that is 0, 2, and 1. Next, what do you think should be our multiple of another row that we will add to this row to have this element be as 0? So, we will add row 3 plus negative 2 row 2 to get a new row 3. We will use the multiplier negative 2 to help us obtain a 0 in row 3, column 2, which means the element of row 3, column 2 of our lower triangular matrix will be the opposite of our multiplier, which is 2. Then, we have now a new value of row 3, which is 0, 0, and 3. We have now completed the value of our lower triangular matrix, which is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 2, and 1. And we have also our upper triangular matrix, which is 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, and 0, 0, and 3. Next is solving the lower triangular system. L, Y is equal to B. Using the elements of our lower triangular matrix, we will multiply y sub 1, y sub 2, and y sub 3 is equal to our constant in our equation, that is 1, 2, negative 2. So, we get now the value of our y sub 1 is equal to 1. The value of our y sub 2 is equal to 2. And we get a new third equation, and that is negative y sub 1 plus 2y sub 2 plus y sub 3 is equal to negative 2. Substitute the value of y sub 1 and y sub 2 to get the value of y sub 3. That is negative 1 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus y sub 3 is equal to negative 2. 3 plus y sub 3 is equal to negative 2. Y sub 3 is equal to negative 2 minus 3, and we get the value of our y sub 3, which is negative 5. So, the value of our y sub 1 is equal to 1, y sub 2 is equal to 2, and our y sub 3 is equal to negative 5. We are now in letter C, solving the upper triangular system. U multiplied by x is equal to y. Using the elements of our upper triangular matrix, we will multiply x sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 3 is equal to the value of our y, which are 1, 2, and negative 5. Then, we will get our new first equation, that is 2x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal to 1. Second equation, x sub 2 minus x sub 3 is equal to 2. And the third is 3x sub 3 is equal to negative 5. To get the value of our x sub 3, we will divide both sides by 3. Then, we will get negative 5 thirds. Substitute the value of x sub 3 to equation 2 to get the value of x sub 2. That is, x sub 2 minus x sub 3 is equal to 2. X sub 2 minus negative 5 thirds is equal to 2. X sub 2 plus 5 thirds is equal to 2. Then, x sub 2 is equal to 2 minus 5 thirds. Then, we will get the value of x sub 2, that is 1/3. Now, substitute the value of x sub 2 to equation 1, that is 2x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal to 1. 2x sub 1 plus 1/3 is equal to 1. 2x sub 1 is equal to 1 minus 1/3. Then, we will divide both sides by 2. We will get the value of x sub 1, which is 1/3. The value of our x sub 1 is equal to 1/3. The value of our x sub 2 is equal to 1/3. And the value of x sub 3 is equal to negative 5/3. I want to end up my discussion with this quote. We all have dreams, but in order to make dreams come into reality, it takes an awful lot of determination, dedication, self-discipline, and effort. By Jesse Owens. That's all. Thank you and God bless.